Right, I suppose we can't put this off much longer, so I'm going to connect the kill switch cables and hope that I've done this right. I think I have. There we go. I have noticed that the kill switch, the emergency stop, is supposed to be a little protruding bit in here that pushes the button that is killing the engine, and it's gone. So, oh, that was me, that was my phone. Hang on. Oh, it's Stavin. All right. Put the throttle cable back on, if I can remember how it's supposed to go. So I sometimes go back and look at the videos from when I disassembled everything, just to see how it's supposed to go back together. I shouldn't have to do that now for this. That was fiddly. There we go. Seems alright. Now, I don't know if you remember, but I talked about this thing here. There's a little, come on. There is this little button that needs to be pushed in order to be able to start it, and that's been pushed in by a little thingy bobby here, which is gone. So what I'm gonna have to do is to put something else here, or just have stick something in there and maybe a tape around it, just to see if it because that one has to be pushed in to be able to start it. Yeah, a cigarette filter. For now, that would work. I think that'll work. So, should we put some petrol in this thing and see if we can get it started? Maybe if I get some, I think I have. Yeah man, cold start. That's been good for other things before. Right, I don't know if that was just on the start spray or if there was any petrol. Let's give it another jank. So it is running, and I'm not sure why it's dying, but it might just be that it doesn't get enough fuel through. Oh, right. I'm gonna give it another go. Work a little bit on the throttle, see if we can get things to loosen up. What we need to do also is to pump up the tires because they are still not inflated. Right, so what I didn't think about now is that it's automatic. There is no clutch, there is no nothing. So once it's started, if I give it throttle, it will go, as you can see, because that's what happened. Anyway, it's running. Wicked. Look what I just got in the mail. Ta-da! The bat symbols. Exactly the right size, I think. Look. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be fantastic. Let's put them on. These stickers are supposed to be like proper good ones that you can put on snowboards and things. They should be okay on here, I think. Yeah man, looks alright, I think. Try to get them about the same. You'll never see both of them at the same time though, so it's not, you know, critical. Looks pretty sick to me. Cool.
I hope you liked this episode, and if you didn't, please share it with someone who might. But if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that little bell symbol for notifications. If you want to become a part of the Around on a Bike community, get early access to my videos, your name in the end credit, a bunch of my stickers and other perks, join the channel or become a patron. Links in the description below.